Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix update KB5064081 not installing on Windows level update. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you are begin, like this video and comment section go to comment and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, then click on the power button, select the restart button here to restart your system. Then go to the next step, services. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that services. Just click to open it. Then scroll down, find Windows Update. Just click to select and right click on the properties. Then go to that. If the service status is stopped, just click on the start button. Then hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to that next step, command promote. Then go to the Windows search bar, then type that command promote, then right click on the run as administrator. Confirmation yes. These commands are all description inside, then copy to paste sfc space / flushdns. Hit the enter. Here ipconfig, give the space / flushdns. Then go to the next step for the sfc space / scannow. Hit the enter. Then once it given, it is will take it further sometimes, so wait here. Then verification 100% is completed, then only then go to that back. Wait here, I will skip it, but we will not skip it. Only 100% is completed, then only come to back and go to the next step. Then troubleshoot Windows Update. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that settings. Just click to open it. Then search settings, click here. Then type that Windows Update. Hit the enter. Then scroll down below, find fixing problem with Windows Update. Just click to open it. Then finally troubleshoot options show here. Then click on the next button. Then detecting problems, wait here. Okay, now pending system changes record reboot have been detected. So just click to next button, then finish it, then restart your system. Again check it, your problem fix it now. Again it not working, then only then go to the next step. Windows Update file delete. Sometimes your Windows Update file corrupted, so they are getting this step. So go to the file explorer, then go to the local disk C, double tap to click to open it. Then go to that Windows, again open it, scroll down, find below and scroll down, then selected that, find out that software distribution folder, then double tap to open it, then go to that insert, then selected all, then right click, just a delete button, click here to delete. Once it delete, then close it. Then go to the finally Windows Update, check it, then your problem fix it now. Definitely your problem fix it now. Just click on that Windows Update. Finally you restart your system, then your problem definitely fix it now. And like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime. Thanks for watching.